Okay, all right. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add charts box to your blogger website. So, if you are new here, I highly recommend you for subscribe my channel, turn on notification bell. First of all, you can see this is my website. So you can see this is charts bar. When a single person here is charts anything, they are find out here. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do this. First I'm going on the back paint on this website, select layout, then select your charts box. You can see here is a link shironam and etc. So I want to add another field because already have this here, so I want to add another one. Okay, I want to add here for only example for you. Just click this here section, add a gadget, then you can see charts, block chart. Just click here, then select your right hand charts, just save, then again go on your website, then refresh. If I scroll down, you can see here is a chart option now available on my blogger. So if you want to add on this here, this is the same method. If you want to add specific page, this is a same method. I hope you are doing these tasks really well. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.